Good morning, Ja. Wagwan. Bella ring. Occupy it. Bumbo clot. Idiot, them around put the people. Me so forward, you know. I don't know if you move. Don't even move a dial turn. Don't even move a dial turn. Cause I'm coming. We going to Brikama area council. Take away them blood clot. Yeah, I'm real talk. Anyway, on a reach, on a reach, you know. Moin, Bruder, ist gut? Mr. Kang. Yes, Papa. My dad, you know, forward. Yes, Brikama. Listen me. Brikama Sate Mall. Today is Occupy Brikama Area Council. See? Everybody come out and take over this blood clot. Mr. Sirifo Sonko and everybody working in Brikama Area Council should pack their things and fuck off. We don't need this pussyfoot them. A real talk. And the police behave on a blood clot self and go and protect the people and stop threatening the people to beat them or bring in your water tanks or whatever you want to bring. Police, come outside and protect the people. See? Brikama Area Council must be occupied today. Occupy it. Because Brikama Area Council is not doing nothing. Every day they're collecting money from our mothers, from our sisters, from everybody. And I nyam the money and now do the work. The women them in Brikama market, they are not having it anymore. And they don't have the power to come out. So the people of Brikama have to come out and occupy Brikama Area Council and make sure everybody working in there pack their shit and move. See? That is the problem today. Brikama sate kono. Momo ya lonko ebe Brikama sate kono bi funtinang alena Brikama Area Council occupy. You understand? Merolu, Mbamalu, Mbenkilu, Mamalu, Nkotolu, Mosifa belbe Brikama marché kono. Lungo lungalbe kodo jola. Prale wafiro ke marché to. Marché be noring, marché ba tiñaring, silate marché to. Marché fango man koy lampol nin kurang fili julol bebe jahaseri nyokang ni sama nata aliyalo ne minka ke Brikama. So nalman funti bi aleta Brikama Area Council occupy. Ngali remember the time when na Brikama Area Council after Gio wafi la Brikama Nkolma. Sate mu me funtita. Gio man wafi. One nonsense all al kana songa la koteke. Al funti. Gena len Brikama ngeen dem occupy Brikama Area Council. Mairie dañ sona, nit ñi dañ sona, marché gi kenn mënu fa duga, marché bi kenn mënu fa nduga ji, marché bi kenn mënu fa romba. Yena ngi fateleku marché yi ni marché Brikama be lampa yi fili e courant yépp ngi jaxaso taw ba ngi ni di ñew mu ngi ñew lakat marché bi. Ma ngi leena waxal nak tay moy occupy Brikama na Brikama yépp gëna taxaw and rally around Ousmane Sonko. Bëgguñ ko Brikama Area Council na paak bagasam yi mu fucking a dem. Brikama du moromi Ousmane Sonko ak Brikama Area Council ñu fa liggéey ñépp nañ paak seen bagas yi dem fu gaay jógee. Ñun bëgguñ ku ñoo ñëw fii nii yab ñu suñ yaay yaa ngi nii di duga si biir marché bi seen tanka yaa ngi tilim dëkk bi yëpp a ngi tilim. Brikama amut yoon amut marché amut hospital amut dara. Brikama Area Council yena ngi jël xaalisi mairie every fucking day nekku leen di defal mairie dara. Brikama alfunti merol alfunti fondinkel alfunti aleta Brikama Area Council ta Brikama Area Council Ousmane Sonko ini la mul atol mil bebe do ko la jala la bagasul ta aleta la silol. Brikama mansulal kurante Brikama marsete Brikama loptante Brikama silate Brikama fokol tije Brikama Area Council lungolu albe kodo tala merolu bulu albe kodo tala mol bulu marché to mil kat wafiro nin kolu kije alma marché deda kurangol binala filol bebe jahaseri sama fela binala sain abe fonyo bal nat la je filol be nyomala marché bebe janla mol la bagasol be tinyal masa kundal buka mol makoy mol be fangol makoy la lungol ngalbe kodo bus la mol bul albe la nyim bunjam balkon albe tabir dimal domola albe moto dimal borondila albuka tamini nyim marché kono la because alcatral la nyim moto kumballe kono albe dunna albe funtila ndol bam albe siri njebe batari marché ba tinyari ikalaf katan dugala buka dunno je kasile fo sama e bam sama busata parete buka tambino dula be ke jioti fango bebe yankala mol batatal alfunti Brikama alfunti come out and blood clot take over the thing. Brikama Area Council, pack up on things and leave the place. We don't want no problem. People are suffering in Brikama. Every day, Brikama Area Council collecting duty from the people selling at the marketplace. Yeah? There is no good electricity. There is no good running water. There is nothing in Brikama market. And every day, Brikama market would collect at least, let me calculate it. Brikama market would collect so much money, over hundreds of thousands of dollars every day. Yeah, it's rainy season now in Brikama. The whole place is flooded. You can't even go into the market and shop. And yet still, Brikama Area Council collecting money from these women. There is no road. There is no hospital. If you go to the hospital, there are no toilets. There is nothing. You go to... There's nothing happening in this place anyway. And they're collecting so much money from the people. Why collect money from the people when you are not doing what you're supposed to do for the people? That means you're not there for the people. You're there for yourself. Usman Sonko and all the people working in Brikama Area Council, they're not working on foot to come to the market. They're driving one big fat car. They don't go to Brikama market to do shopping. They go to the supermarkets and do shopping for their family. They pick their children in a big fat car, bring them to school, drive again and pick up their children with big fat car from school to sports to wherever they're going. And the ordinary people, the normal people, the Brikama people who are paying all this money for these expenses are suffering. So this is the agenda today. Come out and demonstrate peacefully and take over Brikama Area Council and tell them to pack up their thing and fucking go. We're going to put our own people to control the destiny. Real thing. Usman Sonko and the whole of Brikama Area Council, everybody, pack up your things and leave. We don't need you people there. Come out and occupy Brikama Area Council. Alkanasi, ebe tuluna Brikama la. Brikama, one of the biggest town, and one of the dirtiest town, and one of the biggest money collecting town. They're collecting money every day. Every day, Brikama Area Council collect money from the people who are working at the market. You can go to Brikama market and look at the state of the market. Market look like a rubbish blood clot heap. Don't do that. Brikama Alfunti, Brikama Yalte, Jette Brikama Area Council. Hande saren de 440 Yalta de. Holla Brikama Area Council. Mbudi mo wondonga yobade fi yeyugol e nder marché on be ala e gollande on ka marché idon andi goy ndiyanda fuddi arde fiilji din dow fi courant ji din idon andi goy joni hennundum ara jilla fow marché nden fuddo sumude because be ala e wadde golle mabbe be yobay goddo ara o jillanana men fiili idin dow to natira to yaltira to hay goto anda ko honto dum natiri ko honto dum yaltiri ndiyandange henno dum fuddo arde rek saren den fow suma ko baske marché den si sumi ko saren den sumi ko hay goto wawata nyamude hay goto wawata yahude wadugol duga saren den no boni ndare marché den ko ono woni yeyude ton ko ono woni yahude ton sodugol ko ono woni jodde ton si tawi ko wondon e yobude kon fi yeyugol ka nder marché ibe gollande o no problem stabi ala e gollande o ko yon yaltu hande sare nde fofoti yaltude Brikama Area Council ko yobe mobu piiji mabbe di be seka yes and Brikama. After we take over Brikama Area Council, we're gonna take over Sana Manjang too. That dirty, stinking pussyfoot. But you see today, Brikama, Alfunti, Merolu Alfunti, Sumakunda Alfunt, Mansarinsu, Haola Kunda, Sane Kunda, Jambar Sane, Newtown, Nyambai, Sate Bay Funt. Kaptafo Misira, everybody come out and take over Brikama Area Council. Usman Sonko, if Fambutu so long, Ndolman Ke Flangot, people don't even know where you come from. Just pack your things peacefully and everybody working for you and fuck off because you're not representing Brikama. Go chuck off. Alarm is ringing. Yo, singer. Go morning show level caring ila mo erek. Kokilimbo le folalie. Kokilimbo le folalie. Brikama nalman funti B. Nalman funti B. Mbalo nako sibijan di bengol le malti. Brikama nalman funti B, nalman funti B. Ndata la kuto kotek. Ono kiango anando ono wona blood clotting. Sate be funti. Alkana tulu molla. Albe siring Brikama tulu. Akamunta ko bata afango diata tolienne. Ono love fi sofa. Dengan buga torox. Torox rek ngeen buga. Ko tampugol odon tampugol tung fal dong onon. So yaltani hande. Mi ande onon ko tampugol fal dong on tampay ton non because ayi mene ko game woni de. Ndaru everything nice. It don't tampu de ton. Waton tampu, waton jodu on imay. Usman Sonko e Brikama Area Council be mobu pidi mabbe dimbe seka. Ibe tampinde on idon jodi asiko onon ko tampugol tum fal don. Yena nge sona ñung le na toroxal mu ngi melni yeen torox rek ngeen buga. Mary bañ len bu len gëna tay jaay ci marché bi na ñepp bañ bu kenn jaay ci marché bi bu kenn am fu mo dem dugaji na ñepp gëna alkanata marché to bi kata wa firola merol ali bangulenke ala la bagaso lu be mutaswo kon mo kanata ndugala Brikama bi mo be funti ni dia ko tandi merolu albita nakoto ali alla fengolu sene masakunda tal makoyla ital demala ali alla fengolu sene aliye mutaliye natina marseto pour ka wafi katsate molu balundi kal fengolu makoy albe wafiro kala fo wularo alla fengol te banna alla fengol aliye mutalita aliye fay because dula talbulu alba mabola damen pour akana tinya sama lena alla fengolu bondi ay tara nyinyari aliye wafi kotek wodula talbulu kabonan fo yundum kabol lamen kanana fo busura fo dasilame kata fo gunjur fo katong kanana kata fo kuloro kata fo block alfunt marché tal bulu albitala nako tala la fengol nati lungolung albe kodo jola alka kodo min jolu ngolum Brikama Area Council akatale fo wili keme molde Willy Kemekemol, Brikama Area Council kawola muta every day. Nali alla naku fengolo muta fir fengola liye wafi marché. Naman bang plaso li nyanta wole sotola. Konye wafi la ke la frijol ni kol soto dame. Mero lalla nakol nalla fir fengol. Nyanta le dundis good storage kono. Pour sama nal wulta ali alla fir fengol muta. Ale na si marché senangoto. Alia wafi. Naman bang aliye muta aliye dundi dulato ka fo dame cooled storage wol be man soto lungo lungal ka kodol min jo marché alfunt Brikama Area Council Usman Sonko anala mol be la bagasul pak ye fuck off alkana tulu mol albe bat akamunta ko bata atol alka o duwale lungolu ala mole kamade al wuli ale funti Brikama bu leen nangu ay ñoo xam ne kenn xamut fuñ bàyyi ko kenn xamut fuñ jógee ñuy ñëw Brikama di ñu toroxal Brikama area Ousmane Sonko ak njabootam yi ak ñu nekk di liggéey foofu noonu bàyyi leen xel seen doom yi moto bu duuf moo leen dee jëli kër yóbbu leen school seen jabar yi duñ dem dugga ji si marché bi supermarket lañ dee dem dugga ji fuñ amee xaalis boobu noonu yéen a ngi dëkkaa ñooñu foofu noonu time boobu amuñ focals amuñ dara ñu commencé di liggéey Brikama area council ñuy dawal moto yu duuf di dëkka si kër yu duuf di dem dugga ji ay supermarket seen doom yi di dem school yu baax yéen a ngi toog foofu di torox di seetaan loolu léegi ñu ne Brikama area council nañ paak seen bagage yi dem soo Brikama na ñëpp génna na ñëpp génna d'accord si baat boobu ne na gaa yi paak seen bagage yi dem bu leen ñuy yab bu leen tax nit ñi di jógee feneen di ñëw di ñuy yab bàyyi leen di torox bàyyi leen di soona léegi 2019 yéen a ngee soona benn tey su nit ñi jóg su ñi jógee taxawal leen na ngeen jóg yéen it doo leen jógut du dem man maa ngi nii fii mënuma faa nekka waaye naa leen jox suma baat génna leen ngeen dem woon seen naar lii lu bon la lii dafa ñaaw mairie every day yéen a ngee dem si tool yi di béy seen vegetable si pour mun a ñëw dundal askan gi ba pare mun a dimbale seen njaboot yi waaye yéen soo leen ñëwee si ak seen fruit si seen vegetable si marché bi soo leen jaayee su jeexut da ngeen war a am foo xam ne seen bagage yi foofu la moo dugga mu nekk foofu noonu dara du ko jot si ëllëg si ngeen ñëw génnee waat bagage yi continuer di jaay waaye yéen amu leen loolu foofu te yéen a ngee fay xaalis boo xam ne da ngeen war a am lu mel noonu foofu ngeen mun a eewu suba teel ñëw dugga si marché bi mu ngi set ngeen jaay seen bagage yi su jeexut ngeen denca ko génn demaat waaye every day seen desiti bagage yéen a ngi koo sànni bi ko loo leen koo doyee yëpp a ngi yaaxu naaj baa ngi tànga jir Banjul naa da ngeen foog ne nit ñi dañ dof génna leen Brikama area council nawet baa ngi nii jot na taw bi suy ñëw ak ngelaw gi léegi tey courant bi commencé di taal marché bi yépp because gis nga ñu nekk foofu noonu di fix courant yi they are not professional electrician waaw police block yo dirty stinking police yo you scared of police you see this is the thing when two dirty stinking police come and threaten you people you scared and chicken out police now go shoot you police can't kill you police now go shoot nobody police no have no right to shoot nobody go and blood clot demonstrate and tell this dirty stinking Sirifo Sonko and BAC to pack up their blood clotting and fuck off. Brikama is bigger than the whole of them pussy. Yes. The women every day they wake up and go to their farm and grow their vegetables without no help from this dirty stinking government and Brikama area council. After they bring their fruits and vegetables into the market is dirty, market stink, there is nothing in this market and it's rainy season, everywhere is muddy, everywhere is flooding. The women, every day they pay a lot of money to sell in the market. And after, in the evening, they don't have nowhere to keep their fruits and vegetables so they don't get mashed up. So the next day they can come and start sell food and vegetable to the people. The government is neglecting the people, especially Brikama area council. And every day they're collecting so much money from the people. They are not helping these ladies. They are not helping the women. The women are doing this thing for themselves to feed the nation and help their family. And every day they sell what is fresh. The rest they have to throw it. Look how much sun and the heat are burn up the place in Brikama. Too much sun are come and mash up the vegetable and the fruit. They don't have no storage. And they pay hundreds of thousands of dollars every day. So people of Brikama, you must come out and take over the blood clot BAC. Usman Sonko, the director, pack up your things and fuck off. You don't even come from Brikama. We don't know you. I don't know you. And people don't know you from Brikama. Because if you are from Brikama, you will do something. One of the biggest towns in Brikama. You go to Brikama, there's no toilet in the market. It's rainy season now. Electricity. They don't even do it professionally. They're paying some local electrician to come and fix up the thing quick and fast. It's rainy season. Wind and breeze start blow. You see all the wires, cable start flash up. And they burn down the blood clot market. And nobody get compensation. How many times that happen? It's like you people love to suffer. If you love to suffer, sit down and don't come out. But if you don't love to suffer, come out and show your frustration and tell the people them, yo, it's about time. Alfunt, Brikama genalen, ngen wat dekabi, genalen, dolen genun, ngen hamna yen toroh ngen buga. Brikama sen marse bi amut dara, sen marse amut kamasa. A marketplace where there is no public toilet. This is a joke. There is no road. There is no... Brikama Area Council is doing nothing for Brikama. Absolutely nothing. So today is 24th July. It's called Occupy Brikama Area Council. Yalte sarende koyon yaltu hande Brikama Area Council koyo be mobu piji mabbe ding be accana en sarende Brikama Area Council koyo be yaltu be accana en sarende yo be mobu piji mabbe de be seka men adam wobbe mo anduda ko kambe gollanta en because nyande wo nyande Brikama marse den ko ono woni tong ko jelu yobotong fi yeyugol kander marse wole gonga on tum si tawi ko tampere fal dong si tawi ko tampere fal dong jode tong son fala ka hoyana on jode tong no problem onon ko sattere fal dong on fala ka pi ding hoyana on jode tong kono si tawi on fala saren den mbudi mo wondonge yobude fi yeyugol ka marse be arabe gollana on marse den sina dum kuranji din fuddo sumugol marse den yalte genalen alfonte Brikama Area Council be pare. I tell you something, Brikama police station, police, behave on yourself. Brikama don't belong to you people. You are there to serve and protect the people. You cannot go out and use your batons and your water cannon and threaten people and beat the people. We are not animals. We are not birds. You can't come and shoot with. So behave yourself. We know who you are. And if you beat anybody or you do anything wrong, you know where you're going to. You're going to fucking mile 2. This is New Gambia, you know. You cannot beat people and kill people. You cannot do that. If you do that, you're going to fucking mile 2 because we know who you are. This demonstration will be fully videoed. Will be fully videoed. Social media all over the place will be watching it. So don't think you can come and threaten the people. Dirty stinking police. You people are the most useless department in the Gambia. What are you doing? What are you doing for the people? You're not protecting the people. Instead, you're taking knife and stabbing people. People who you're supposed to be protecting. Dirty, stinking people. What are you doing? Arresting people for smoking small marijuana and extorting the whole city? Fuck off. Brikama, come out and demonstrate and take over the blood clot area council. Real thing. Police all alal fambutu kesol long. Brikama nin Gambia man kaltat. Milka merolo milka kodo jo Brikama marseto. Wale katul fanan jo kala dimbayal balundi. So natara fanan al lafta kana kaloji kal badingol al kotol nal domal anal bamal nal binkil nal fal nal barinu kana ka wol lapi because he kana tonyale falye al nana barato le bafuta mol bat Brikama come out and demonstrate and take over Brikama area council. Hey police boy, listen me. You are nothing but a police to serve and protect the people. Your battens and your guns and all of your dirty stinking water cannon, you can shoot them and send them back to where them come from because the people are not scared of you. You cannot threaten the people. And if you touch anybody, if you hurt anybody, you go into blood-clad mile 2. Straight. Because the power is for the people, not the police, and not the blood-clad dirty system. Adama Barrow and his government are shit. Know that. People are fed up and tired of your system. You understand? So right now, pack up your shit and leave because the people of Brikama are coming out today. In thousands, remember this. Nalman Funti, Ndata Lakuta Koteke, Oliba Ibrahim Nyas King Selassie I Ja Rastafari. Come out and done dirty stinking Babylon.